Hi there, I'm Rami from Ledger, and today I'm going to introduce you to the CL card, powered by Ledger and provided by Baanx. Can you imagine paying for your morning coffee with crypto? The idea might sound far-fetched, but it's a modern reality. Whether you're buying gas, groceries, date night, or tacos at 2 a.m., the CL card has empowered countless individuals to use their crypto assets for everyday purchases. The CL card, provided by our partner Baanx, is a physical debit card that allows you to make purchases anywhere that MasterCard is accepted. In this video, we'll explain how the CL card works and how you can get your hands on this powerful way to leverage your crypto portfolio. The CL card works by using your crypto as collateral for a line of credit offered by Baanx. The collateral is moved out of your self-custody wallet and held by them. Because the CL card is supported by your crypto assets, there is no need for a background check, proof of income, or any of the other typical requirements for big banks. And best of all, you set your limits and your credit line directly in your Ledger Live app, giving you control. The CL card works by funding a line of credit with collateral in either Bitcoin or Ethereum. Collateral can be used in one of two ways, either as a crypto draft or a stable loan. Crypto drafts are quick, hassle-free lines of stablecoin credit that you can use just like cash with a traditional debit card. Your line of credit for a crypto draft depends on how much collateral you have posted. Let's say you have provided $10,000 worth of collateral in the form of Bitcoin. You then can get up to 60% or $6,000 in purchasing power for your CL card. And best of all, the first 10% of any purchases based on your collateral are interest-free. The second option to get funds is through a stable loan, which operates like a traditional loan. With this option, you're able to take your collateral and generate a 3, 6, 12, or a 24-month loan given in the form of USDC, USDT, or EURT. And once the loan principal and interest are paid off, the collateral you provided can be added back into your self-custody Ledger wallet. On desktop, click the card tab on the left side of the screen. From here, you will need to sign up and create an account with Baanx. Follow the prompts for verification and your card will be shipped to you. Once you have your card, you can fund it with collateral directly in the Ledger Live app. Simply tap the top up icon and deposit either Bitcoin or Ethereum to fund your card through either a crypto draft or a stable loan. Now you're ready to buy whatever you want in the physical world with your digital money. Online orders, movie tickets, or whatever you had your eye on. You can even use your card to purchase more cryptocurrency or a new Ledger device through the Ledger Live app. Spend your cryptos at over 90 million merchants and online stores with instant conversion to fiat at the time of purchase. In this video, we covered how the CL card works and empowers you to spend your money how you want. If you want to review a specific one, you can scroll through the chapters below. Thanks for watching this Ledger tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel for more, and if you have any questions or comments, add them below. Till next time, stay secure.